Hello friends, today's topic huge 10% rally in Jio Financial Services shares today. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Today I am covering two topics. First topic, global brokerage firm Goldman Sachs has downgraded a few banking stocks due to its view of short-term weakness in growth in the financial sector. Goldman Sachs believes that banks will need to raise money at a higher cost and network of branches will need to be spread for future deposit growth. Indian banks enjoyed a significant increase in profit margins from 2021 to 2023. But further margin improvement will be slow due to lower loan growth rate. Also, significant amounts of bank deposits have been moving to mutual funds and stock markets. Hence, banks are finding it difficult to gather deposits so that such an amount can be given out as loans. Goldman Sachs upgraded Bajaj Finance to neutral from self-rating 2% upside and continued the buy rating on HDFC Bank, which is 33% upside. However, three banks have been downgraded due to the slower growth expected and due to the stock already performing well the last few months. Goldman Sachs upgraded Bajaj Finance to neutral from sell rating 2% upside and continued buy rating on HDFC Bank 33% upside. However, three banks SBI, ICICI Bank, S Bank have been downgraded due to the slower growth expected and due to the stock already performing well the last few months. Target price as per Goldman Sachs. SBI rating neutral, current price 761, target price 741, percentage of change expected minus 2.6, 3 months returns 36%. ICICI Bank rating neutral, current price 1066, target price 1086, percentage of change expected minus 1.8%, 3 months returns 15%. S Bank rating sell, current price 27, target price 16 and percentage change expected minus 40.7, 3 months returns 32%. SBI and ICICI Bank have been downgraded from buy to neutral. Now coming to topic number 2 of the day. Jio Financial Services, the finance subsidiary of Reliance Industries, has rallied by 10% today. Its market cap has crossed 2 lakh crore market cap. It is currently around 2.12 lakh crores. The last 3 months, the shares have rallied by 50%. Reliance Industries share price also touched a new lifetime high of 2989. Currently, only 39 companies in India are trading above rupees 2 lakh crore market capitalization. As of now, Jio Financial Services business is very small. It provides instant loans, insurance services, UPI payment services. Jio Financial Services has still not started its business in a full-fledged manner and is only earning income from the money it has invested in various financial instruments such as bonds. In January 2024, Jio Financial Services and BlackRock Financial Management filed documents with SEBI to launch a mutual fund business in India. Reliance's extensive network of 18,500 stores and a subscriber base of more than 45 crores will be used by Jio Financial Services to offer its services. But as of now, its valuation is extremely high for a company which is starting off. Its premium valuation has been given mainly due to it being part of the Reliance Industries Group. There are very high hopes from the business. We will need to wait and see how it performs against the competition. As of now, there is no sufficient data to be sure that it will be as successful as the other companies. We have compared some other NBFCs to Jio Financial Services. NBFC valuation comparison. Bajaj Finance approximate market cap 4,11,019 crore, price to book ratio 6.85, stock price 6651. Cholamandalam Investment and Finance approximate market cap 91,657 crore, price to book ratio 5.79, that is PB ratio, stock price 1091. Shriram Finance approximate market cap 91,970 crores, price to book ratio 1.95, stock price 2448. Jio Financial Services, approximate market cap 2,11,946 crores, price to book ratio 1.83, stock price 334. One thing is for sure, Indian stock markets will multiply manifold in the next 10, 20, 30 years, and if you don't invest now, you'll regret later. The question is whether we have patience to invest for long term and also whether we select the right stocks which will grow in the future too. At the end of the video, here is a question. What is your thought process of investing in Jio Financial Services shares? Now there are two choices. I am ready to invest now. I will wait and watch. If you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Chandra Institute Kannada channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.